Hello. We're currently rushing to our lift driver, who's apparently here in 1 minute. It said 5 minutes. But what are we doing today?
We're off to Volcano Bay.
Volcano Bay. So we're getting a lift, or an Uber, whatever you want to call it, to Volcano Bay. Because it's difficult to get there otherwise. But it's Nicola's first time using it, so you got $10 off.
So that good.
This journey's only costing like $14, which is great.
Yeah.
And then because I referred it, I'll get $8 off the next time.
Yeah.
Yeah. But anyway, so we'll see you at Volcano Bay. We're at Universal Studios now, but now we need to get to the bottom floor of the car park to get the Volcano Bay transfer bus.
Okay guys, just a little tip. If you're like staying off Universal property, get to Volcano Bay and you're getting like an Uber, you get dropped off at the top, you just need to make your way down and you'll see a sign that says buses to Volcano Bay.
Yeah, it's actually really easy.
It's really simple. Seems complicated, but it's not. Plus there's lots of people to help you. Just in case you seem overwhelmed when you arrive, because you get dropped off at the top and you're like, where did I go?
Yeah, it's very weird. We made it. This is one of the entrance way into the park. Yeah, I feel like we say that a lot about theming, don't we? There's a lot of slides here. We made it in. We've got tappers. These basically you tap onto the things in front of the slides and then you get a wait time to come back if there is a wait. And you can do other things while you're waiting.
So be sure to hear things.
Yeah. We're currently going to other lockers that are further around the park because everyone goes to the same ones. I know they're down here somewhere. Okay, whole Tattoo's hat with road rent and move on a locker. Oh wow, that's expensive.
$16 guys.
Any thought Disney was expensive? Oh, they're fairly big. Okay, we're just putting our stuff in the locker now. Hello.
Hi.
Excuse my greasy hair because I've put loads of B20 in my hair because my scalp's horribly burnt, so yay. Well, that one looks really cool. We need to do some rides. You can't bring the GoPro on and then we'll bring you through the other rides later. See you soon. So these are the Tattoo's hat points. So you would basically tap that on there and then you get a return time to come back, which means you can do other things while you're waiting.
Oh, the sun's got in. We're in the main pool. Woo! So now we're going to the Tiwa Action River, which is like a fast moving, lazy river. But for this one, they make you wear, on this one they make you wear a life vest. So you have to collect one of those first.
Try sitting on it.
It's like fit an adult medium, or there's no cost, will be cost.
So they can all...
All my cut hands.
Yeah, Craig cut his hand on the bottom of the pillow.
Oh, I thought you did that. Ready? Wait. This is a fast moving river. So if I go over to the wall, it just takes you. It might not look that fast on here, but it is. Yeah, let us go down. There, we're together. We're together at last. Yeah. Okay, I'll go the other side. I'll find you. Bye. We're not gonna make it, we're not gonna make it. We made it, we made it. Missed it. Above us is the volcano where the drop rides are. There's the aqua coaster, which is this one. Isn't it really relaxing? So there's a whole mess of slides up there.
Tell me more.
The waves coming. That's what's been let along the whole way around. So relaxing. Oh, the inside line must be faster. Yeah, the speed of the wall is faster. Yeah, I was thinking that. I think he's getting away from me. He's there somewhere. Jack! Jack, come back! Jack! Hi. I know. This is the best thing about this park, I think.
Yeah, it's so fun.
It's so hard to get out. Nick, it's so hard to get out. It's like trying to drag you back in. So we'll take these off and then we'll go to the lazy river. Okay, so now we're on the winding river, which is a lot less intense
Like a lazy river.
compared to the thing we've just been on. Go get it, Nick, go get it. One thing I would say is this water's a lot colder. Isn't it?
Yeah.
You know to get in the other way? Get on top? Oh yeah. Oh what? You do it like that? Okay, we're back on the regular camera again. Now on a hunt to get food.
Get some like cheese.
Yeah, we saw a place that does poke bowls and other interesting stuff. We might try that.
Yeah.
We found this place called the Feasting for All. Chicken tacos, steak tacos, nachos, and poke bowls. Okay, scrap that. There wasn't really any seating, and the food didn't look as good as it sounded. So on to somewhere else. Ooh, an island chicken salad, a bamboo burger, and a mahi sandwich. See what this is? Oh, this is called Bambu Jungle. Bacon cheeseburger, bamboo burger, chicken salad, quinoa eaten at I-bean, rice sandwich, chicken tenders, salads. Anything on the back? No.
Got our food. I got a chicken sandwich that came with French fries, and Craig got a Cobb salad, and the total was $27.67.
So that's a Cobb salad. That looks right.
And this is my yummy.
Okay, okay. Had our lunch.
It was just kind of average.
Yeah, it was very average.
I actually
What
preferred the food at Chowford Lagoon, but anyway, maybe just
Who'd have thought?
whatever we just picked. So now we are going to probably go around, get a few snaps, show you guys some of the area on the camera, and get changed to head out.
We're going back to the hotel to go to Magic Kingdom, aren't we?
Yes.
Yeah. Some of the private cabanas in here. I don't know how much you pay for these, but I think my price is probably loads, isn't it? Whenever this music starts, it means the wave pulls and that starts holiday. Yeah, that's the wave starting there. Just a bit for the kids. I'm obviously not going to go there and record for obvious reasons. Back of the mountain, so you can see where a lot of the queues are for the body slides that you go in like a little pod and the floor opens up beneath you. And these are the, what is it called again? Yeah, basically they're racing slides, so you have 4 slides on top and then you race each other down. Is that an actual spirit jersey or is it just?
I don't actually. But it is $57.
What is it?
57. No, it's not.
Just spirit jersey style?
Yeah.
Oh no, why are they making it sparkling? Oh no. Oh, that's quite nice, yeah.
Volcano Bay t-shirt because it's like that, like surfer look.
Yeah, I think the other shop has more of that stuff. Oh, here's a Volcano Bay spirit jersey. Well, we just call them spirit jerseys now.
Oh, that one is nice.
Oh, I like that one. Yeah, that is nice. And there's this one, but it's V-neck. And also horrible.
I couldn't find it. Oh yeah. The spirit jersey is 55.
55. Cheaper than Disney, but then most things are.
They're doing a little bracelets that I'm looking for.
Maybe. I don't know.
And the tumbler's cool, isn't it?
Oh, it is cool. Just wait to see something for now, like now. Good job. Sometimes we kind of awkward. Yeah, that's cool. Oh,
Oh, that's cool.
that's not bad. It's high five though. Not too bad.
Sunstorm Splash Peninsula.
I love these, but they
Where did she go? $20.
It's only $20. How is that only $20? Yet the t-shirt's $35. Doesn't make any sense. That's the back. What's on the front? Oh, just a simple logo. That's nice. 28.
You want it?
I don't like it enough. I don't think.
Hi. Please excuse my very wavy hair. We're back from Volcano Bay. We made our way out after we kind of like a walk through the volcano and everything, and got an Uber back. So overall views on Volcano Bay, honey?
Yeah, class.
Had a really great day. It is an awesome water park. Yeah, we didn't find the food options too great. Could be just us, could be just be the day we went. And yeah, but you can tell that's in your water. You can.
I forgot the door moved.
You can tell it's in your water park, can you? Because everything is so smooth. So now we're back. I'm going to have a shower, wash my hair, all that wonderful holiday stuff that you have to do after the pill because my hair goes like straw. Can you tell? Anyway, Craig's going to go fill up the water cups. He's going to have a shower, whatever. Then we're going to get ready to go into Magic Kingdom.
Where's the fireworks tonight?
Oh yeah, girl. We were going to go over to Wilderness Lodge and do the what am I trying to say? Toasting some marshmallows at the campfire, but we'll see. We might do that another night, but anyway, we'll keep you posted with all the plans. We just thought we'd update that we were back and that Volcano Bay was a solid 10/10. Highly recommend. Oh, you missed a nut for the first time.
Do I give it a wipe before you do this? I don't have it with me, of course I left it sitting on the thing.
Squidgy, 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 squidgy. It's because the humidity
Is that recording the whole time?
is rife. Yeah, that's why I went squidgy, squidgy, squidgy. So we're off to Magic Kingdom if you hadn't guessed by the Ears and Craigs t-shirt.
Tell me about it. Yeah.
So we just got showered and changed after the water park, and now we are heading for the bus.
Yeah.
So we'll update you when we arrive.
Hopefully we don't just miss it again. There's so many lizards out.
I know. Lizzie the lizard. Guys, I made a bit of a boo. Left my phone in the room and Craig just had to sprint the entire way back to the room. Nearly missed the bus, so I was in the bad books.
At least I have my running shoes on.
We made it to the Magic Kingdom. The most beautiful place in the world.
That's as clear as you'll probably get it for a while, actually.
Yeah, you can still
Excited? It's one of your favourites here, isn't it? This is something we tried to get on for Halloween and couldn't.
So this ride is in the dark, kind of, and enjoy your flight with space.
What's your top tip for this ride?
Watch your knees.
Oh yeah, it really clatters your knees the whole time because there's not a lot of space in between. That's definitely not that much leg room in it. stupid. Woohoo! Let's go! Take off. Oh, it's weird seeing everything. That's what happened to me. This is some fantastic footage for everybody. My eyes and my nose are running. The kids behind us are not having a good time.
So good every time. I forgot about the photo. I thought it was before.
I know, so did I. We forgot about the photo. Oh well. Well, what do you think of that?
Still my favourite.
I love it, but it really puts me on edge because you really cannot see.
I think I love that about it. It's actually not. It's not like a scary roller coaster.
No, it only does like 30 miles an hour.
I think people get really scared because you've no idea what's coming ahead, so it feels well.
But we wanted to do it during Halloween because it's nearly black, but it's not quite.
Yeah.
Whereas for the Halloween night, it was pitch black.
So you can't see.
But I mean, I like being able to see just a little bit.
There's like it's like spacey. There's like stars. You can't see, but there's like.
I forgot they did all this bit. So anyway, what we got to do now?
What time's Haunted Mansion at?
Oh, not for another good bit yet.
Oh, okay, look up there. How cool. That's what the ride's like.
Yeah, that's what the ride's like. Right. We're feeling a bit hungry, so we're currently checking the snack list. What do we have?
The good old snack list at Columbia Harbour House. That's
I'm here at France. Your guide
Gathered
will
tacos,
be
Sleepy Hollow Refreshment,
absolute best way to
Friars,
see
Launching Pad.
the stars. They're everlasting.
Launching pad. That's in the middle.
Spacecraft to Monster.
What's called Mickey Celebration Cookie and Cream Cheese Pretzel. Nah, I don't feel like that. The spring rolls. Do you want to go to either go get the spring rolls or go to Columbia Harbour House?
Okay, Columbia Harbour House it is. What do you say? It's doing the ship. It is nice. It's like old-timey boat paraphernalia everywhere, isn't it?
Okay guys, so we're in Columbia Harbour House and we just got one of the lobster rolls. Pro tip, we just cut it in half because the amount of snacks that we get. And little hush puppies.
Yeah, there's like sweet corn in them.
I'm not too sure what they are. First time trying
Yeah,
them.
nice too.
Like them. And this is the key. Hold on, it's trying to focus on the window. It's really cool. So we both really enjoyed what we shared.
We shared that because then we can get more snacky stuff
Yeah, guys, if you get
without completely bankrupting ourselves.
Yeah, but like if you get a meal each and then
Thank you.
if you get a meal each and then want to go and try all the cool business snacks that there is, you'll just never be able to eat it all.
No, true.
Bye. Have a good one. Thank you.
Obviously, we're at Volcano Bay today, We just came here for the evening. But it is an incredibly high crowd day today, isn't it? It is. The wait times are absolutely through the roof. This is the back of the castle, which I actually think looks better. But I think I'm the only person that thinks that. Well, to the degree it's nice, I don't agree that it's better. I mean, you can actually walk through the castle. Woo. So this is a mural, it's in the middle of the castle. That is literally like separate actual tiles. That must have took ages.
Oh, it's so beautiful.
The whole wall too. That's amazing.
Everyone, some of our most adventurous
This is what we were saying about it being a high crowd day.
in the Magic Kingdom. This month is linked with Special.
That's a good angle of the castle there.
Look how beautiful it is.
This is where we're getting our snackies. Can I get the Binx pastry towel, please?
Hey.
Know where to sit.
Okay, so this is it's known as the Cheshire tail cat, but it's that
Cheshire cat tail.
yeah, Cheshire.
Cheshire cat tat.
It was known as the Cheshire cat tail, and this is now the Binx cat tail just because it's Halloween. Binx from Hocus Pocus.
Oh yeah, okay.
You can have the white chocolate.
No.
Good. We love this, by the way, guys. It's such a snack. We made light work of that, didn't we?
Yeah, it didn't last long at all.
Solid snack.
It's like a pain au chocolat.
Yeah, that's exactly what it's like. It's just a good
With
little
icing
snack.
and chocolate. Extra
How
chocolate.
much was it?
Like $4.79, I think.
$4.79.
Hi.
All the people waiting.
Yeah, it's a really high crowd day, so we're just doing something we can jump on quick. Plus, I'm wearing the t-shirt for it, so you know.
Got a rep. It's very crowded.
Keeping hands, arms, feet,
Oh, we're at the
legs,
front.
and other appendages inside your car.
Wee. It is very relaxing, this though.
Greetings, intergalactic travelers. Welcome aboard the People Mover, presented by Enterprise. I'm RI5.
Sorry guys, this is not a very flattering angle. Hold on. I'm trying to navigate the traffic.
Press penny silk pie.
Wow. So we're heading now. We got off the People Mover and Craig wants another little snack. So he thinks he's going to go get corn dog nugs from Casey's. So is that what you're going for?
Yeah.
Also, how pretty is the sky right now? Well, it's not showing up on camera, but anyway, it's pretty, take my word.
Where did you pick up a number? They taste great.
So we've got corn dog nuggets, some fries with it.
Especially with this
Plastic.
contains absolutely no cheese, plastic cheese.
So he also you can ask for little things of water, little cups of water in most food places. And then Greg also got this, which I have no idea what it
A
is.
frozen lemonade thing.
With
already forgotten what it's
cherry and a
It's
slice
a
of lemon
frozen
on top.
mint julep lemonade.
Oh, a frozen mint julep lemonade. Excited that you got your corny dogs.
Yeah, corn dog fries are great. Corn dog nuggets are great. Corn dog fry.
Take a dip and then you can let me know what you think.
So you need this like American synthetic cheese with it too. Oh,
Good.
it's essentially a battered hot dog.
A battered hot
Right.
dog. 10/10 recommend?
Gonna go Bears?
Okay, we finished at Casey's. We couldn't get a seat, but we sort of stood at a table. It'll have to do. There's a nice atmosphere here. It's getting dark, so we have. We can go this way, can't we? So we have a fast pass for Haunted Mansion. Not fast pass. Oh, I'm going to keep calling it that. That's what they used to be called. We've a lighting lane for Haunted Mansion and Pirates of the Caribbean at the same time. I don't know how that happened, but it happened.
This is Crystal Palace and it does a great character breakfast. Me and Craig are a wee bit scared of character
It does a good breakfast, but it's a character breakfast. It means Winnie the Pooh and all his friends come out and speak to you. And sometimes I'm a bit like, I'm too socially anxious. Oh, you've seen that lightning? Like a big child. Oh, lightning! Anyway, so we're going to do, considering where we are in the park, we'll just do Pirates of the Caribbean first, then walk all the way around and do Haunted Mansion. And then we said, what else did we say? We were going to forego the fireworks tonight and do the fireworks another night.
Maybe get more rides done and like the carriage I did it and it's like people were queuing around.
People were queuing at 7:30 for the fireworks that are on at 9. So no,
I'm not ready for that.
that's a hard no from us. We can do it another night when the crowds can't answer a headache. Yeah, because we're there this time next. We're there not this time next week. This time next week we're going home. That's sad. Don't mention home. But yeah, so we can go again. So we'll just hopefully get on some rides when everyone else goes for fireworks. We're hoping we can get some stuff done. We're just going past the, yeah, that's what I'm saying. We're going past Magic Cards Land. You have to be careful because this camel spits water out randomly. Jesus, he nearly got me. So after me just saying, I thought he only spat the other way, but there you go.
He turned his head.
Because, like, I would definitely go to Epcot.
Studying me map. Oh, it's the treasure map for sure.
Life for me. That's what happens when you come off that ride.
Yeah, so off Pirates.
Fun as always. Got a little bit wet and I never got wet before.
Yeah, we got well, I don't say I got soaked, but I got considerable wet enough that I had to turn the camera off and wipe it.
Yeah.
You never get the bit where the ship is bombing the island. There's a little splash effect, but I didn't expect it to actually splash the boat.
Yeah, it was kind of more severe.
Especially a boat ride through animatronics and scenes, but it's good fun.
It is.
It smells really nice.
Yeah,
Always has
it's
a nice
always the
smell.
smell, and you always say it smells like pirates.
And then Jack Sparrow's like hidden in all the scenes. So
So
now we're on our way to do Haunted Mansion, the stuff we basically couldn't do when we were at the actual Halloween party.
I know.
So we're in the queue, well, not really in the queue because we're thingy, but this is Haunted Mansion.
Metamorphosis. Is this actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way.
Doesn't matter where you look, always looks like they're looking at you.
Toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond.
Sit between us. Hello. Hello. That was your turn to go.
So where was we last? Oh, we were on Haunted Mansion.
Yeah, so we've come off Haunted Mansion and now we're about to do Tomorrowland Speedway.
Tomorrowland Speedway, which is driving little cars.
Which has a 0-minute wait because the fireworks are about to start. Like, this is only queued out. So you just drive these little cars around the track, but it's called Speedway, but the cars do what, about 3 miles an hour maybe?
Yeah, it's really slow.
And they stink as well.
It's lovely.
And the smell of petrol around here is nuts. Let's make one showing off.
And I broke my zip, guys, so I'm running around with a no zip.
I know. Hussy. I do find it weird they haven't changed these to electric yet.
And it never been.
I never hasn't driven a car for like a week. Missing it.
Yeah, and also I haven't really tried groceries here.
Let's go. There's that people moving going over. Oh Jesus! You'll be able to hear the fireworks in the background too. Actually, I think I might. Oh my god! I think I might hold on.
Honey, stop. Sorry to keep on.
Oh.
Here we go.
Hey! We have to try and keep it in the centre line, but it doesn't really work. Can't keep it steady. I'm sure this is nice. Oh. Is anyone behind us? Oh, good.
car journey, the look of fireworks in Disney World. What could get better?
I know, not bad.
We'll see it another night.
That's why I don't like to stay inside.
Nicholas like, why is this car broken?
Yeah, it's
Definitely not your driving or anything now. There's Tron that still isn't finished being built. Space Man. It's okay, the battery's getting low, so I'm not going to see anything else now.
Sorry!
See you in a minute.
Bye!
And we're back. It's such a tame drive, I was able to change the battery out while we were riding. I don't even know if you go back at her again.
Guys, so we actually ran in our whole thing about doing stuff while the fireworks was on worked out well, because we literally just ran on Space Mountain and there was absolutely no way.
There was
nothing.
no queue, no one was on our cart at all, we were the only people on it. Like, there was no one up there. I kind of wish I'd vlogged that because it was completely empty.
Yeah,
So
we were like, well, we just literally ran onto it. So we got that done and now we're making our way over to Big Thunder to ride our favourite ride.
And also, we actually have a lightning lane for it, but if the queue isn't too bad, we might do standby and then you can go straight on it again with lightning lane. We'll see what it's like.
That's the plan anyway, but we'll update you when we get
Go on
there.
it at least once.
Or else I have weird things that happen.
This here's the wildest ride in the wilderness.
Too far forward.
It's so much better at night, isn't it?
Yeah, oh my god, it's because you can't really see.
Yeah. We're off to do Splash Mountain. We've never actually done this before because I've always wanted to avoid getting wet.
But
So we'll go onto the GoPro for this one.
Well, so it's time for this. Oh, not my name.
How do you do? My pleasure breathing. How do you do? Say it when you meet me. How do you do? With everyone sleeping, turning in the shoulder alone. I've been talking so round that. Say goodbye to me. Down in the line, the places where I'll be.
That's it.
Right up here.
Well. No, don't stop here. Oh good, okay, went through all that to get wet there.
Well, what did you think of Splash Mountain?
I loved it.
Good, wasn't it?
Yeah, I thought it was really good actually.
I said on the GoPro, but I don't know if anyone could hear it, but I really built up that last drop.
You did, but then
I was like, oh no, but it was actually fine in the end.
It was good fun, wasn't it?
So, yeah. This way, why don't they make this one this way? That's no reason why. Even just like how empty all this is.
City Hall is so lovely at night.
This isn't a Disney bus.
Hi guys, so we are home. I feel like home? Sort of calling it home. We are
Spiritually, we are home.
we are back in the room, and I feel like I start these vlogs with super straight hair and then I go out into the Florida heat and I'm like, pff, end them with really boofy massive hair. But
yeah, I'd love to have that home.
But anyway, we had an awesome day at Volcano Bay and a really awesome evening at Magic Kingdom. I feel there's never enough hours in the day to do Magic Kingdom. It was only open to 10 tonight, which kind of sucks.
To be fair, we thought we were going to have a really bad evening at Magic Kingdom, but it turned out alright.
Yeah, it did turn out alright.
Good use of Genie Plus again, boys.
They used to have a lot more of like late night offerings for resort guests. They don't do that the same. It's more like early morning, which probably suits a lot of families better with kids, but me and Craig actually preferred it the other way around, and like there was nothing.
You still get the really late ones with deluxe resorts.
Yep.
But deluxe resorts are like
You're paying so much money.
expensive it's not achievable.
Yep.
Whereas we're in a moderate, which is achievable.
If you save up, it's
If you
achievable.
save up, it's achievable. Deluxe, it's not achievable, so we're just priced out.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. But anyway guys, we had a really fun day, and yeah, I just wanted to come on and end the vlog, but I like to do our little, sorry I keep itching my chest because of a sore sunburn. Anyway, like to do our little highlight of the day. So Craigie, what was your highlight of the day, and any tips that you would give anybody if you have any?
Highlight of the day is, it wasn't super exciting as such, but probably doing Splash Mountain.
Oh, did you enjoy it so much?
Yeah, well no, it wasn't, well it was okay, it was very old, and I don't understand who the characters are. I don't know who any of those characters actually are.
I don't know if it's an old thing, because it is due to be
I think it's an old
changed.
thing and it's an American thing.
Oh right,
I
right.
haven't got a clue.
Right.
But I'm just glad I done it. I always looked at that ride and I was just like, nah, I'm not doing that.
It's always because we got wet. Like me and Craig have been scarred with the wet right before. It sounds so dramatic, like oh you're only going to get wet. But I mean, we got
Did you
soaked
Russell?
to my pants and my socks, and I couldn't actually walk around in my socks because the socks were rubbing on my shoes and cutting my feet because they were so wet.
Yeah.
Remember, it was just uncomfortable. Anyway, but yeah, so that was your highlight of the day.
Yeah.
Any tips you'd give anyone?
I think I said during it, but I can't remember. I'm just too tired right now to even
A tip would be, if watch the fireworks, obviously, how many nights you want, or if you've like a 2-week holiday like us, but do some of the rides during fireworks time, because the waits go from like 60 minutes to like walk on.
Yeah, you've got that window where people have, like, between 9:45 and 10:15, where people are waiting for fireworks and when watching the fireworks. You have a half an hour window there where all the queue times go down. Like, as I say, we went to Space Mountain. Easily could have rode it 3 times.
Yeah,
I mean, we didn't in the end. We could have gone on Big Thunder Mountain a couple of times. We had the I can't say fast pass again.
Genie Plus.
We had the Genie Plus for it, and then we could have technically gone on standby queue, and then Genie Plus it once the queue started coming. Well, people started coming back up from the fireworks. But we didn't in the end. But yeah.
I think my highlight of the day would be, there's not a specific thing, but just getting back to Volcano Bay. The rides there are next level. Like it's just a shame you can't see because we can't bring anything on like the GoPro or anything. Like the ones where you go up the side of the walls and the aqua coaster. There's no other place.
You slide down and there's a big like thing like that, and the whole raft goes up the side and flies down.
It's just so fun.
Cool.
So I think my highlight of the day was finally getting back to Volcano Bay. It probably is the best water park I feel that we do right here. But yeah guys, so with that being said, we are now all going to sign off for the night. We're up very early to go to early entry for Hollywood Studios, and we have a really fun, exciting day planned there. I know we were just there yesterday, but we have lots of stuff to jam in tomorrow. And
yeah, I'm actually going to do Rise Resistance, and I'll actually record it this time because now I've been on it. I feel like I can record this time.
yes, and I would love to show you guys it.
Same with Minnie and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
Yes, and I think in the evening we might head over to Epcot to catch Harmonious, so of course we will bring you guys with us. So yes, give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. As always, I would love it if you could come and subscribe to my YouTube channel. But yeah guys, appreciate you all so much. Take care, love ya, see you in the next one, bye!
Bye!